To draw weather map symbols, you're going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. Now start off by drawing very, very gently, don't press too hard. Draw like an equilateral triangle. Follow that line around into a circle. Follow that line around, well, it's a semicircle, isn't it? That one's slightly bigger. And then we want a semicircle across the top. Now for your lightning flash, draw a line just underneath it. And then we want to draw a bit more of an angle. It's a trapezoid rather than a parallelogram. And then this line here, we will have parallel there coming down into the flash, and that will go sort of to the side like that. So let's start with the lightning flash, and we'll just draw nice straight lines as much as we can. Maybe flick to a point there, flick to a point there, flick too much maybe. Like that. And then we want to bring this around and around and around to about there. This is where it gets a bit more tricky because we want a thickness here. So let's say that's going to be the thickness, and then we want to very, very carefully go all the way around. Bring that a bit further around in there. Similarly, we want to draw this equidistant and then in a little bit like that. Then we're going to start at that point, and then we're going to come up and around and then down into that point there. It looks a bit like the club shape in a pack of cards. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines and no one will know how you constructed it. And then we can ink in these bits. Now you might want to add some rain, so let's sort of draw these little things, lines, so keeping them all parallel. You might want to put an extra one. Oh, that wants to be parallel. So we're doing those as a little kind of a guide for the length, and then we start at that point around the bottom and back to the top, and those little lines are there to sort of help us keep the raindrops going at the same angle. And then we might find that the sun is trying to break through. It's a day of sunshine and showers, so we need to draw a little sort of hemisphere, semicircle there, and you're going to want to have little rays of sunshine coming out as well, so plan out a kind of a circle that sort of goes around it so they're all going at the same distance, and you might have another little one for where they start as well. And let's draw, let's draw in the sun first. So that's poking his head, her head, is the sun a girl or a boy? I don't know. And then we can draw that there. And then let's draw one in the middle like that. And let's draw one in the middle of those two, and one in the middle of those two, and then we can draw more in the middle. And that, by splitting something up and sort of draw the middle and the ends first, then you can kind of lay things out nice and evenly. Again, erase those pencil lines when you're absolutely sure that the ink is dry. And then you can colour in those raindrops of blue and the sunshine in yellow, and maybe the thunder flash in yellow too. And if it's a really dark, gloomy day, you can make the cloud a little bit dark grey too. Thanks for watching, and keep coming back to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel for lots more drawing every week. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.